Welcome to our BACnetP2 channel. My name is Siobhan Neetling and I'm Head of Marketing and Operations at Purple Swift. We are going to be making a video tutorial series for BACnetP2. So the next few videos we post will be helpful videos for BACnetP2. So which topics will we be covering? That will be the insight reports, which ones are most relevant, what information they contain, why they're important, what we do with them, and most importantly for you, we'll be covering how to generate these reports. So you can see from our website that the reports we need are the system profile report, panel configuration report, and the site info report. And we do have guides online on how to generate these, but we will be making them into a video format as well. So from that point, we will be showing you our analysis tools on the website, and these tools are for analyzing the insight reports. So this tool is for analyzing the system profile report, and this one is for the site info report. And we'll be explaining how you can get the most added value out of using these tools on our website and getting the most value for your sites. We will also cover how to get a quote from us, and then we will move on to the deployment process. So everything from purchase order to commissioning a site, we'll go through all the steps involved, and where there are steps where we need information from you and how this can sometimes lead to a bit of a delay and how we can best avoid the delay. I will also explain why we need that information. So those are going to be the topics that we will cover, and we look forward to your feedback on our tutorials, and please let us know if there are any other videos that you need from us.